Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to look for a flight status proof in the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Flight Status Proof button. So in order to do that, you have to select the carrier. And then you have to provide your flight number and your ID number, so both. And you have to set the departure date as well. And then just click on the search button and they will provide you with that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.